Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special. I want to do a quick unboxing and give you some update, and let's get started. Alright, so currently I'm in Singapore, the Courtyard Marriott Hotel. I'm impressed, look at this. This is a Courtyard Marriott, has infinity pool. So I decided to film this video on the rooftop. So the trouble I'm facing right now is the lighting and the wind sounds. So hopefully you can look past that and enjoy this video. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you is I was in Singapore 2 weeks ago. Before I went to Taiwan, I stopped at Herme store at the Marina Bay Sands Hotel, and this is what I got from Herme. The lady at Herme is super nice. I totally forgot her name, and she didn't really judge you because you didn't wear fancy clothes, and she's so friendly. I asked her to help me to retie my twilly on my Birkin, and she just did it for me, and she even pressed it twilly for me. Such a nice lady. So I bought this very special twilly from her, and apparently she said this color is really hard to find. Let me show you guys right now. It's the black twillet. So if you're big on Hermes, if I'm wrong, you let me know. But she told me that the black twillet is really hard to find. Mostly it's a color. So I bought this from her, and I think this looks great on my Birkin. So this is the first item I purchased. Let me show you a little bit of the twillet. And it has a lion print or tiger print. I don't know what I mean, a cheetah. So take a look. Isn't this beautiful? Super nice, right? Alright, the next item, the last item I want to show you is ta-da! It's a Louis Vuitton, and this time I was really good boy because you guys know I was just in Paris recently. We got a Birkin. If you have not seen that video, we're gonna link the Birkin video and Paris login below so you can take a look. So I only just bought one small thing, you know what I mean, right? So quick story on this piece right here is really kind of is like a meant to be story. I think originally my SA from Los Angeles, from South Coast Plaza saved this piece for me, but I told her I'm going to Paris and I want to save money, so I said cancel the order, I'm going to get it from Paris. So when I get to Paris, this item is already sold out. Then when I went back to Singapore, they sold out too. I was just like, oh my god. And finally in Taiwan, Stacy, oh my god, our favorite SA in Taiwan, Stacy at Louis Vuitton 101, she found one for me. That's why I bought it. So take a look. This is the pre-fall 2019 denim jacket with a monogram print. I know the lighting is really terrible, so I'm going to turn this around to show you guys this, but it's an absolutely gorgeous piece. So hold please. This is the size 40A. It fits me really perfectly. And this is definitely a little bit more casual monogram print. But it can be casual wear or could be formal wear. It depends on how you style this jacket. So I definitely feel like if you're first time buying Louis Vuitton and you want to invest a piece, denim jacket is really great because it's not crazy expensive. It's really nice. For those of you who follow me on my Instagram, you probably already know that past 2 weeks I've been traveling around. And first I was in Singapore for meeting, then I meet up with Charles. So there's gonna be a Singapore vlog with Charles. I followed that, I went to Taiwan to see my family. So there's only to be Taiwan vlog too. And then something very special happened in Taiwan. I met up one of my good friends, Dr. Chen, and he's a general practice doctor in Taiwan. And we collaborate a video together, talk about skincare. Instead of using skincare, what else can you do to get you to have a healthy and beautiful skin? Definitely check out that video coming soon. Plus, oh my goodness, plus we also filmed 2 YouTube Chinese channel video, meaning I speak all in Mandarin, and there's gonna be a giveaway for skincare. So definitely check out too. Oh my goodness, the lighting changes so much. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick video unboxing for Louis Vuitton jacket, Hermes scarf. And once again, I want to say thank you so much for all your support on my social media. It means a lot to me. And if you have not followed my Instagram, please do so because you get to see me where I go, where I travel. The next trip I want to share with you coming up is end of August. I may be in Thailand, followed by Singapore, then I'll be in Shanghai. So travel with me. Follow my social media, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much, and I love you all very much. Bye. Oh, much more better lighting now.